this is Sharifa Just Nailed It. It's been a minute since I have recorded a regular video. We've been doing the Charlie's 24 Days of Advent Calendar, and before that I started December with 12 Days of Christmas. I hope you all took part in supporting and watching, because there was some great nail art that I've done throughout the month of December. So now we're going to do us another Christmas design. I have got a red nail, and we're changing it into red hollow. Isn't that beautiful? It is She Modern's Red Hollow Glitter Powder, Glitter Color. It's just beautiful. So we are going to take their She Modern Glue Gel. We're going to apply that to the nail and cure it. We're going to pop this in, pop this in the lamp for a good 30 seconds. Clean my mess up inside, because my nail fell over. So I've got me a palette out here. I got my hollow glitter. We're also going to be using some of these really cool stickers here for Christmas. Some that say Merry Christmas. There are snowflakes on here, reindeer, Santa Claus. You've got some type of an ivy vine, or I'm not sure what it is. But like these right here, those are cool. There's hearts. Different types of Santa Clauses. Can't wait to use these. Those were given to me by a dear friend, Nails of Interest, in my Christmas cards. So go check out her channel. And again, that is Nails of Interest. I will put it across the bottom of the screen. So we have got our nail fresh out of the lamp. Tap, tap, tap. This is a free pouring bottle. So be careful, you don't need a whole bunch. Rub it in, make sure you get your edges. Rub, 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 tap, tap, tap. Look how beautiful this is. So I'm going to put this back in the lamp. Let me give it a flash here. I feel that it adheres it better into the glue. Put my palette away. I do have some holographic silver snowmen that were given to me by Tammy's Mayonnaise. So go check out her channel as well. I'll put her channel name across the bottom of the screen. She gave me some great little items to use for Christmas, and I just, snowmen are some. She gave me some bows and gingerbread men. So I'm going to be using those in a separate manicure. Also, I'm going to be doing, or by now you should have already seen the acrylic video with these. This is Ice Princess. Beautiful, beautiful glitter mix, along with some snowflakes. So by now you should have seen that. I'm going to go in with my Beatles top coat, top it off. And we're going to do just that. We're going to top off this manicure with this. We're going to put this back in the lamp for a cure. I am using a 108 wattage lamp. Adjust your time accordingly to your wattage. I don't need a full 60-second cure. So, I'm really excited about this manicure. I think this is going to turn out looking pretty cute. A nice festive Christmas mani. The ring nail is where I'm going to be putting my Santa Claus. So, or not my Santa Claus, my snowman. So So I'm going to go back in with the Modern glue gel. This way it'll help them stick to the nail. So I've got that on the lamp waiting. We're waiting for our first nail to come out. And here we go. See how beautiful? Modern pigments, you just can't go wrong with them. They're hollows and they're glitters. Just everything is just outstanding. Just outstanding. I should have thought, let me get me some stickers here. Put that there. We're going to try for our Merry Christmas here, but I want one that's going to fit on the nail. So I might go a little out of frame here. I'm not sure how I can get this up. Like I said, these are stickers. Just press down firmly on the nail. And it does say Merry Christmas. Okay. Gonna put the stickers aside for 1 minute. I've got my snowman here. Let's see if I can straighten him out. No, it doesn't look very good. With using the glue gel where you put them, they're rearranging, so be careful of where you put your items at. Hello. Hello, Erica. Hello, baby. So I think those are really super cute. I'm gonna get some snowflakes here. If I can get this one up. Oops. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified of all future videos, all uploads. This month was definitely a whirlwind. There was a lot of videos to be seen. A whole lot. Let me see one more of those snowflakes. Here we go. We've got some golden snowflakes. So we'll put that back here. We have got our Merry Christmas. Whoopsie. Oh, I'm getting parched already. Oh, we're only 9 minutes in. Now we need a Santa Claus. Let me find one that I really like. We're going to take this one up here in the corner. Oopsie. And we are going to apply Santa in the middle. Whoops. In the middle of the nail here. There's our Santa. I think these stickers are really, really super cute. Let's see, what do I want to put below Santa? I definitely want to put a deer. Decisions. Let me think here for a brief second, because I want to add some bling, of course. Where do I want to put my reindeer? This will be bling. This will be bling. I could put them below the Merry Christmas. Let me see. Might be kind of hard to get them up, I don't know. Oh, I think I got it. Okay. So I'm like putting my mat all over the place here. There we go, look at how pretty that is. We got us a reindeer. So now we are done with our stickers. We are done with our snowmen. I am going to, where's my top coat? Oh, the red that I was using was number 448 by Beetles, just so you know. We're gonna top coat, put these two off so I can put some bling on. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of these so far. I think they're turning out really super cute. I've got snowflakes down, or Santa down. Oh, I don't know what I'm talking about. Snowmen down. We're going to apply some random colors of bling. I have all different colors here in the tray. All different colors. There's one now that is upside down. There we go. Apply your top coat, which is how I'm adhering them to the nail. You can use other methods to get them to adhere. Some girls use poly gel, builder gel, nail glue. There are, I think, what would I call them? Glues that are specially made for gems and rhinestones. Rearrange these just a little bit better. Okay, so I'm going to pop those two in the lamp. Give those a full cure. I'm going to top coat the rest of my nails now. I think this mini turned out really cute. My stickers and snowmen and bling. Santa Claus. Oh, Santa. We film in the middle of the night here, and I think somebody's up in the house. So I'm kind of trying to be quiet. But I want you still to be able to hear me. And I hope that you can. Alright, our nails are top coated. out of the lamp. I'm going to put these in as a group. Look at how cute that is. And we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp with our Manny, our snowflake, snowman, and Santa reindeer Manny, our last Christmas Manny before Christmas. Today is Christmas Eve. I hope everybody is going to have a joyful night. Spend it with your close loved ones because we are still under a pandemic. And it has sure changed 2020, hasn't it? It's a shame. Do the best that you can. Love who you're with. Be who you are loved. So, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'll bring them closer so you can see. I think these turned out really, really cute. I really like this. We got our reindeer and our Santa Claus and our snowman and our Merry Christmas. Can't forget that. Well, have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you for being here.